Yeah, I'm scared of the dark. All right, I'll take your tickets. Y'all go in there, stop on that corner right there.
Oh.
You watched the video and you were the tour guide.
Change
Humid. Very humid.
So what do you think of the cave tour?
I enjoyed it. I
Yeah.
saw a lot more than I thought I was going to, so that was pretty cool. It's all natural. A lot of history.
I thought it was pretty creepy.
It is a little creepy. We didn't see any bats though. That's a little
No bats.
disappointing. No bats. In today's video, we're going to go ahead and show you around Florida Caverns State Park. This over here is a cut-through trail to the Blue Hole Springs swimming pond. Very short and easy to walk. Takes you over to the little bridge and the rec area, I guess you would say. And here's your bathhouse. We'll take a quick peek up here real quick. And I'm on a rock mission, so we're going to put our little bundle of joy right here. There for somebody to find. So I'll finish my walk. They have 2 camp hosts. They'll bring your firewood right to your site. I actually do a drive-through to see if you need any. Well, they did last night when we were out cooking dinner. I'll have to give Randy a thumbs up on the barbecued chicken on the grill last night. It was phenomenal. All the sites, I believe, are about 32 feet long, double wide, I guess you would say. So there's plenty of space. They all come with fire rings and picnic tables, barbecue pits. I think they have 30 and 50 amp hookups, water, and we were pleasantly surprised at the state park sewer. They have an equestrian area, so they have trails for the horses, what they call multi-use. The horses are allowed to be on them, and they're still under renovations from Hurricane Michael, but they've certainly come a long way from what we've been told. We enjoyed our stay here and would recommend it if you can get in. We saw plenty of deer while we were back here. Didn't see any gators, which is okay by me. And that's the loop.
Alright, so this room is called our wedding room because of our wedding cake right here. Another reason why I call this our wedding room because we host 2 to 3 weddings here a year. Now back behind it is our pipe organ. Can anybody tell what kind of music it plays? No guesses? Come on.
When?
It plays hard rock.
So what do you think of the cave tour?
I enjoyed it. I
Yeah.
saw a lot more than I thought I was going to, so that was pretty cool. It's all natural. A lot of history.
I thought it was pretty creepy.
It is a little creepy. We didn't see any bats though. That's a little
No bats.
disappointing. No bats. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, and we'll see you in our next video.